Hello, welcome to the Fall 2020 version of the EBS 033 online registration workshop. I'm Professor Riley and I will be your host for the next 15 minutes in this presentation. I'm the coordinator of the Accelerated Learning Program. This is the program that you've just earned a right to be part of by virtue of your good performance in EBS 011. So congratulations are in order. You did well in EBS 011, meaning you earned better than a B in the class, and you earned the right to register for this special pairing of courses known as EBS 033 and Writing 101, part of the Accelerated Learning Program. So congratulations, you should be proud of yourself. The reason why this pairing of courses works is because you get extra support in EBS 033, which is paired with Writing 101, and that extra support that you get makes you more successful in Writing 101. These are testimonials from different students who have taken this class, and if you read them, you will see that the common element, the common message in all three of these testimonials is that students received the extra help they needed to be successful in this class. Our research has shown that students who take this class often do as well or better as the students who take this class only. Before I start the rest of this presentation, I just want to remind you of my email address. If you have questions about this workshop, about the classes you're taking, or about next steps, please contact me at this email address and I will be happy to offer my assistance. So let's move forward with this presentation. This slide describes the two different paths students can take out of EBS 011. If you had earned less than a B, this would have been sad. I could put a sad face emoji here. You would have followed this track. So if you earned a less than a B, you would have taken EBS 12 in the spring, and it wouldn't be until fall of 21 that you take Writing 101. But because you earned a B or better, you accelerated. You skipped this class. You go directly into Writing 101 with EBS 033, this pair of courses, and then in fall 2021, you'll be an entire semester ahead. You will save yourself precious time in your quest to earn your degree. This is a great thing. Again, congratulations. This is a slide that explains how this class is organized. So the reason why this class works is because you will be in the EBS 033 class with only 10 or 11 students. Small class size, you'll get more individual attention from your professor. The other half of your time will be spent in the larger class of 22, where you'll be joining these green students who don't take EBS 033. See the way this works? The purple students go back and forth between EBS 033 and Writing 101. They get help here for the work here. Again, our research has shown that these purple students do better because they're getting extra help. They either do as well or better as the Writing 101 only students. The professor in both classes is the same, so the professor knows exactly the kind of work you'll be doing in the Writing 101 course. So the reason this works is kind of like a mathematical equation. The support that we professors give you students equals success. That's why this program works. This next slide is a master list of classes being offered in the spring 2021 semester. These classes are organized in pairs that have the same section numbers. When you are registering, you must register for two classes, EBS 033, and Writing 101. The classes must be taken in pairs with the same section number. So this pairing is good. This pairing is good. You cannot take Writing 101 080A1 with EBS 033 116A1. In most cases, the computer will prevent you from doing this. If you happen to sneak through by virtue of a glitch, there is another computer program that we run right before registration, which identifies students who are in mismatched classes. If for some reason you are missed by that computer program, the professors will identify students who are in mismatched classes and send them back to re-register for the correct classes. So just make sure when you are registering, you're taking two classes with the same section numbers. I've highlighted a couple of different classes to demonstrate to you the different types of classes that are being offered in spring 2021. Excuse me. For example, how to take a breath. Most classes are asynchronous, which means they're offered completely online. You work independently and sometimes meet individually with your professors, or some professors will have optional group meetings. But for the most part, an asynchronous class is done individually at your own pace with weekly deadlines. An synchronous class, synchronous, also known as online mix, has specific meeting times that you are required to attend, like a regular class, but it'll be on Zoom. So just keep that in mind. If you register for this class, you are saying, I am going to be in a Zoom meeting on these days at this time. Something I forgot to highlight is the LS class, the late start class. That just means that this class starts a couple of weeks later than these classes. Two more examples of synchronous online mix with specific class meetings that you are saying that you will attend if you register for this course. Okay, so that's all for the presentation. I'd like to review the website in which you're watching this presentation. So let me get out of here, go to the website. So here's the presentation that you just watched. I'd like to go over some of the links in this website that will help you register for this course. So sit tight. I got maybe another 4 minutes. So please stay focused and then you can register on your own. I've kind of reviewed this already. This identifies the types of classes that will be offered online in spring 2021. Asynchronous means completely online, you work independently. Synchronous, also mix, means that you are agreeing to meet with the entire class on WebEx or Zoom at specific times. Hybrid is usually for the sciences, which is a mix of the two. That doesn't interest us here. I've already been over the list of paired classes. This was the master list that I went over in this video. Please be advised that that master list is the list that was being offered in November. Because registration is ongoing, sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied. Because registration is ongoing and classes fill at different rates, some of the classes on this list will have closed, will have filled with students. But don't worry, there are others. Just scroll down the list in self-serve. When classes closed, I open new ones, so there will be classes for you to register for. This is a list of helpful codes that you will see at the end of the classes that you might register for. A1 identifies EBS 033 and Writing 101 pairings. Only those students who have earned the right to be in this class will register for A1 classes. LS, I already gone over. That's for late start classes. You will see some of these other codes at the end of the classes that you are registering for. These next two links give you detailed instructions how to register. I think this link is a little simpler than this link. It's a little shorter, but if this one doesn't work for you, use this link for instructions on registering. If for some reason you cannot register, click here, send an email to this email address, and you will get the help from an advisor or a counselor. If you send an email to this email address, please include your name, your ID, and the type of trouble you are having. Chances are, if you contact an advisor or counselor by using the address in this link, the counselor or advisor will tell you to use this remote registration form in order to register. They'll give you additional instructions, and you'll use this form and send it to registration, where you will be registered for the classes that you selected. Please bear in mind that this takes more time. It's quickest if you figure out how to register on your own. If you use the remote registration form, it'll take a couple of days to process. This is a link for a calendar for the 2021 semester, so use it to mark down important dates on your own personal calendar. Finally, a reminder of my contact information. This is my email address at the college. Use this address to send me questions about the program or about EBS 033 classes. But please bear in mind, I am not a counselor, nor am I an advisor. So if you're asking me specific questions about registering, I may end up referring you back to that email address for advisors or counselors. So that's it, all 12 minutes and 30 seconds of my presentation. You are now ready to register, so please go back up to these instructions and start the registration process. Email me if you need help, and I just want to wish you good luck in the upcoming online semester. We're still in COVID phase, but hopefully by the time you start taking classes, we'll all be able to get vaccines, so we'll be able to get back to normal life. Please get your vaccine when it's offered. Until the vaccine is offered, please wear your mask, please wash your hands, please social distance, please stay safe and healthy. Enjoy the upcoming holiday season. Whatever you celebrate, enjoy it, and hopefully we will be back to normal soon. Good luck, stay safe, stay healthy. I'm out. Good luck in the upcoming semester. Bye-bye.